How to fix your Bluetooth device not working on your Windows 10. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily fix your Windows 10 Bluetooth device not working correctly. So first thing first, just head over to your search bar, or you can also just type in Windows plus R on your keyboard and simply search in for services.msc, just like this. So just make sure your spellings are correct, and once you search in for that, it will open a services tab. So now simply locate the option or services that is Bluetooth support service. So once you locate it, just right click on it and click on its properties, and if it's not functioning, just click on stop and just click on start once again, and you can just choose a startup type as an automatic. So once you select automatic, just click on apply and click on OK. So next thing what you want to do is just close the window and simply head over to your search bar and just search in for settings. So once you search in for settings, just head over to the devices section over here. So just select devices option, and once you're inside here in this screen, make sure you are selected the Bluetooth and other devices option, and just click on this reinstall Bluetooth drivers. You can just try reinstalling your Bluetooth drivers. You can go through this article over here provided from the Microsoft official itself. So let me just guide you through that detail. Just click on search bar and just search in for device manager, just like this. And once you open up your device manager, and from device manager, just select this Bluetooth option over here, which is the Bluetooth driver. So just locate this and just right click on it and click on update driver button over here, and just choose the online method, which will automatically update if there's any update available for that particular driver. And if it's still not working, just right click on it and just uninstall the device. And once you do all of that, just reopen the device manager and click on this action and click on scan for hardware changes, which will basically automatically detect any hardware changes and just install any new Bluetooth drivers on your PC or laptop. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.